Hello everyone. Today we talk about the Bitcoin Math Pattern repeated for Bullrun 20 and 22. You can see I have a tree chart. This is about the mathematics of the Bitcoin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in here we talk about the total crypto asset class. That this is the double bottom two, and the last is about the Cardano. Why I'm putting Cardano here? Because the Cardano is the very strongest and the blue chip for the crypto. That's why this also creating the double bottom. Okay, the first is about the number 1 until number 6. You can see in here that we have the very full run until the early in January. I call it as number 1. And then we have the correction number 2. And number 3 is about the distribution pace in here. So the retail is buying because the FOMO, and the whales selling for the distribution, and to get the price is cheap. So there are distribution in number 3. And number 4 is the crash. So when the crash happening, the retail is selling, panic selling, and the whales is to the accumulation again. The number 5 is like the false hope, where the people like, oh, we are the rebound, but necessarily the 5 wave is the fake one. And then the whales dump again until the number 6 in here. So this number 6 is the last support that people may think is the very big crash happening, but it's the last support. And after that we have to make a pump in the 21 July. And then in here I put one again. In here the pump, the second is the first crash, the third one is the FOMO retail, and then the fourth is the crash. The crash is happening again, and the five is getting the fake out. The people said the bull is happening in the late December, the yearly closing, but no. And then we close to the number 6. That's why number 6, if you draw this green line, it's same like this green line. So for the wave 1 to the wave 2 is similar to the wave 6. Wave 1, wave 2 similar to wave 6. That's why I think it's very good that if you enter now, if you haven't entered, it's very good. As I told you, I'm entering when the price is around the here. That's why I think it's the very worst bullish scenario, because the people expecting that after we hold this line we're going to up. But however, the whales decide to wait until the sixth wave. So similar like in this one, gonna be this one. So this is exactly the same. That's why you need to wait, and we're gonna see what's the next week result. But I'm still very bullish because the market still going to up, and the bullish hasn't over because the institution just entering the Bitcoin and other altcoin in this year. And okay, for the total crypto asset, as I told you in yesterday video, that we are creating the double bottom in here. If you see this white rectangle and this pink is to fake out, because we have the EMA 21 and moving average 20 daily. In here it's something like the fake out, same like in this one. We are fake out, but we are failed to hold the line and just going down to create a double bottom. That's why, but as I told you that the total crypto assets still creating the lower high, higher high. That's why this lower high, that as long as that we hold in the 1.8 trillion, the bull is not over. And we know that the whales still uh, maintain the price, control the price. And I heard that some the whales also entering the off-chain data, like 5 billion, and yeah, it's pretty huge, big, but they are entering via Binance. That's why it's the off-chain data that they cannot be tracked. That's why I think now is the very good time for the whales to do the accumulation. And if you can see in here that the Cardano also creating the same pattern. This is the double bottom, and if you see that I'm drawing the 5 wave. Okay, let's zoom out. In here that the Cardano is creating five wave, the last wave. But maybe later I will talk about the Cardano. I'm just telling you that the Cardano also creating the double. Okay, I think today is the short video about the update. Meanwhile, for the atom cosmos that I told you last week, that this week is the very good for the atom because in the early 2022 atom gonna be crazy. You can see in this video about the atom cosmos. That congrats for you that already entered for the cosmos. Okay, so let's wait for the Bitcoin, but you still need to see that 40k thousand is the strong support because what happened like in the 30k thousand happened in the July, and now we have to 40k. So this line is going to up into this line. If the price is going to below 30, 38, I think we entering the bearish for some period. But I don't think that we are going below the 38 because the 40 is the very strong support. The last entry for the whales, they are entry in the price of 40,000, 40k thousand in here in the September. If the price is going down, I think the whales who enter in this price gonna buy again and make the price to pump up. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button because we will update the news, we will update the latest technical analysis for you. Thank you.